Our next talk is iTree, a tool for characterizing research using taxonomies.
All right, thank you. Good afternoon, and it is a pleasure to be here. My name is Aayushi Verma, and I'm a data science fellow here at IDA. So today I'll be talking to you about how IDA is developing a data strategy and how we're using data governance, data management, and data science techniques to deliver key insights to our researchers. So as a research institution, IDA answers challenging questions about US national security and science policy questions for our sponsors and for our business. The core component of our work is data. And as a business, we deal with and depend on a lot of data for our research so that we can deliver those rigorous analyses to our sponsors. And that is why IDA is developing a data strategy to establish a data-centric culture and to leverage data to efficiently respond to these business and sponsor needs. This data strategy is developing solid and sustainable practices and infrastructures to promote a data-first approach to our work through multiple initiatives like making data accessible, creating a common language around data, streamlining data flows, investing in data literacy, and improving and measuring the effects of these initiatives. One of the key initiatives of the data strategy has been the development of these research taxonomies. So this is an organized hierarchy of keywords that describe the research done at IDA across 8 broad domains. So our research divisions work on different business and sponsor projects, and these projects have deliverable products like reports or memos. So we can use the metadata for these projects and products and combine them with the research taxonomy terms to quantify and describe our research. So this works through another initiative, the Tagging Effort Initiative. So authors of products are asked to tag their products with terms from the taxonomy that describe that body of work. And this creates a data set of products, authors, and taxonomy terms that are able to describe the research products. And when we combine this with other disparate sources of data, like author, project, and division data, we get a complete and full research data set that again describes that IDA research. So in addition to this data set, we also created a web application that interactively displays this data set. So this is what the app looks like. It is our shiny app, and it is called iTree, which stands for IDA Taxonomical Research Expertise Explorer. And I will be walking you through this. But first, in terms of the technologies that we use, so we use ETL techniques. We use ETL techniques in R to create the data set. We use a lot of disparate data sources and combine those data together to create that data set. And we also created a lot of reproducible pipeline scripts that will continue to curate that data set. The application itself is deployed on the IDA internal Shiny server through a Docker container. So some of the questions that this data set and the app answers are these ones, and I'll walk you through each one of these. So the first question is, who are the top N researchers for a research area? And this is done by calculating the number of total products for an author, the number of products for an author for a term divided by their total number of products, and that gives you the percentage of the author's products that are tagged with that term. The next question that it answers is, what is the research expertise of an author? And this is calculated by the percentage of an author's products tagged with terms. The next question that is answered is, what research does a division produce? And this is the percentage of a division's products tagged with the number of terms. The next question answered is, who are the top researchers in a division? And this is the percentage of the division's products with that author. Finally, the last question answered right now is, how do divisions produce research in an area? And this is the percentage of a division's products tagged with selected terms from the taxonomy. So this app, iTree, was deployed earlier this year, and researchers are actively using iTree for a number of purposes, like finding subject matter experts across divisions so that they can collaborate with each other, kind of like a networking tool. And more importantly, to quantitatively understand the research that is being done across different divisions. So the current iteration of iTree is laying the groundwork for bringing more rigorous insights to our researchers. And some of the next steps include integrating more data streams to provide a more rounded view of the data and automating and streamlining these tagging efforts. Thank you.